Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set your miscellaneous notifications to alert for Snapchat on an Android device with the latest updates. This will ensure you never miss any important Snapchat alerts that fall under the miscellaneous category. Let's get started. First, open your phone's Settings app. From there, scroll down and tap on Apps to view the full list of applications installed on your Android device. Next, find and select Snapchat from the apps list. This opens the app's detailed settings menu, where you can control various permissions and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you will see all the different notification categories that Snapchat uses to organize alerts. Look for and tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down Snapchat notifications into specific types for more precise control. In this list, locate and tap on the category labeled Miscellaneous. This category covers additional types of alerts that don't fit into the main notification groups. Once you're in the miscellaneous notification settings, select the Alert option. Choosing Alert activates sound and pop-up notifications for this category, so you'll be instantly notified whenever there's something that falls under miscellaneous notifications. By following these steps, your Android phone will alert you for all Snapchat miscellaneous notifications, making sure you're always in the loop whether it's an unusual update or a rare notification type. That's all it takes to set up miscellaneous notifications alerts on Snapchat for Android. Simple, right? Make sure to check these settings periodically, especially after app updates, so your notification preferences stay exactly how you want them. Thanks for watching.